Welcome back to the channel again. Today we are going to read this phonics story card, which is going to be helpful for the beginners who have just started reading. So let's start reading. I had a cat. She was sad. My mom said that my cat was on the bed. You can come and see my cat. Do you have a cat? It is fun to have a cat, but not when she is sad. My dad had a cat. He was a big cat. My dad said he had a cat and a dog. Do you like cats and dogs? They are pets, but some kids do not have pets. They are fun. My mom said cats are fun for a pet. Bud had a tin cup. So keep reading, keep practicing, and thanks for watching.